Hey, what's up guys? My name is Jesus. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. And today we are going to be unboxing the Apple HomePod. I got the space gray color. I think it looks a little bit better in my opinion, but you know, it honestly depends on you guys. But without further ado, let's go ahead and unbox this thing. Alright, so it has a pull tab here on the top. I'm going to go ahead and take that off. Gonna come off just like that. And it has some weight to it. It's kind of heavy, I'm not gonna lie. It is pretty heavy. Has a good weight to it. Without further ado, let's go ahead and bam. Okay, this one looks nice. Smells weird. Alright, so we got the HomePod itself with the guessing this is the power adapter to actually power the HomePod. And then in the box we also have this as well. So designed by Apple in California. Got that in. And then this is just the instructions on how to actually connect the HomePod to your phone. And then the controls and stuff like that. You also got the user guide, safety features, stuff like that. And the 1-year warranty, of course. And they also included an Apple sticker. So that's pretty cool. I wish it would have been a black Apple sticker for the space gray one, but you know, it's cool. Okay, so up here is basically the touch control. I'm gonna take this thing off. I'm gonna also let you guys know how you can set it up, so that way it'll be easier for you guys. But let's just get this cable unraveled. And it's a pretty long cable, so I'm happy about that. You can basically set it up anywhere you want. So I have it set it up here next to my TV in my room, and I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys a rundown on how to set it up. So I went ahead and unplugged it, and this is the first thing that comes on, which is pretty cool. It looks nice. I like it. Whoa, you can totally feel the vibrations when this starts. This is so awesome. So anytime now, just set up. Let me see if I need my phone. What if I put my phone closer? Oh, there it is. Once you put your iPhone to it, update your iPhone to set up your HomePod. Your iPhone needs to be upgraded to a newer version of iOS. So I guess I need to update that. Alright, so let me go ahead and update this, and then we'll get back to the setup. Alright guys, so I just updated my phone to the new update, and right now when I put it near the HomePod, it's gonna give me this whole connect setup pop-up bar that appears on my phone. So I'm gonna go ahead and hit setup. Where is the HomePod? It is in my bedroom, so I'm gonna put bedroom. Personalized request. Allow anyone to use this HomePod to send and read messages, add reminders, create notes, and more with this iPhone when it is connected to the same Wi-Fi network. So I am the only child here in the house. My parents, they probably won't even know how to use it. But it is that's the one thing I don't like about this, is that, you know, Siri can't tell the difference between your voice and somebody else's voice. So basically anybody can access your messages, reminders, notes, stuff like that. So that is kind of you know that is kind of not secure at all, but it's it's whatever. I'm gonna go ahead and enable it. Terms and conditions, I'm gonna go ahead and agree. Accounts and settings, transfer settings, so it's gonna go through the iCloud. Oh, whoa. And it's setting it up, so it will set up in a couple of minutes.
Can't tell, but I'm waving. To get my attention, say, "Hey Siri." Let's try it. Say, "Hey Siri, what can you do?"
Hey Siri, what can you do?
I can do lots of things, like turn on the lights, give you a news update, and tell you about the weather. Now you try. Say, "Hey Siri, play some music."
Hey Siri, play some music.
Okay, here's a personal radio station built just for you, starting with Justin Bieber. Remember, anytime you have a question, just say, "Hey Siri."
Okay. Hey Siri, stop playing. Okay, so that was cool. It just, kind of pointed out that I like listening to Justin Bieber, but, it can, I guess it can do that, but let's test out some more stuff. Hey Siri, what's the weather like?
It's currently clear and 69 degrees in Pasadena. Expect partly cloudy skies starting tonight. Temperatures are heading down from 71 degrees this afternoon to 57 tonight.
Hey Siri, when do the Dallas Cowboys play?
The Cowboys are not playing today. They played the Eagles on December 31st, 2017 at 10 a.m.
Yeah, I go for the Cowboys, guys, so, yeah, no. Okay, anyway. Hey Siri, what's my schedule?
I wish I could, but I can't access your calendar here.
So the HomePod can access my calendar, but Alexa and Google Home can. Okay, well, hey Siri, play some rock music.
Now playing rock radio.
Hey Siri, stop playing. Okay, so I think in my opinion, look, I love Apple. I love all their products. I pretty much bought and have all their products in my possession. But I am kind of worried about this like software, like it doesn't have any of it doesn't have really a lot of functions like looking at your calendar, and I think you can only set one timer. You can't set multiple timers like you can with Alexa. So I mean, hopefully they can fix that in like software updates and stuff like that, but it's nothing too bad. Just so you guys know, you will need to have an Apple Music subscription. It won't work with Spotify. Here, wait, let me go ahead and ask Siri. Hey Siri, do you have Spotify?
I'm sorry. I'm afraid I don't have an answer to that.
Yeah, so I guess you can't play any Spotify if you have an account and stuff like that. So my opinion is that if you have if you're all about the Apple ecosystem like I am, and you do have an Apple Music subscription, this is the smart speaker for you. It sounds amazing. I wish you guys can hear how good it sounds. I don't really have a microphone on this camera, but it sounds so good. If you're into all that stuff, like the quality of the sound, I highly recommend you check this product out. So this is the Apple HomePod basically. Did a quick unboxing for you guys. But I'm also gonna do a review on it. I'm gonna probably test it out for a week, see if I like it or not. I am a big Apple fan, So it is gonna be a little bit biased, but I'm gonna try my best not to be. If you guys want to see that video, make sure to subscribe down below. Hit that subscribe button and turn post notifications on so you won't miss that video. And without further ado, let me know in the comments section below if you're thinking about getting if you're thinking about getting a HomePod. And I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.